Just finished my workout. I'm going into the sauna, my favorite part, but I just want to let you guys know, as you guys go through this video, I'm starting off in my kitchen, showing you my breakfast. Then I show you, basically I went to the gym. I showed you a workout I did probably like 6 months ago, which since then I've actually increased my workout. You see me actually going to the store to get a snack. And then I went to, you're in my classroom. I show you my lunch in my classroom, right? And then after that, we go back to my house and then I show you my dinner I made. So you can see a good healthy dinner and my lifestyle. So enjoy the show.
I don't know where Henry went, but he was here. Henry, he doesn't work, he's not working well. I don't have treats right here with me, so he's not listening. He's like, dude, you don't have no treats. I know you don't, you're done. All right, so I got the treat. I knew that would work. What, you want a treat, bro? You gotta come over here. Okay, can you sit down? Can you shake? Ooh, look at you, Henry. How about that hand? Oh, okay. That paw. You don't have hands, you have paws, right? There you go, boy. You're such a good dude. See, having this boy in the morning is awesome, okay? Every morning I get to see him. He's a good dude. He's super smart. My typical morning, right? I wake up, right? I'm groggy. I'm trying to wake up. So then I'll grab my coffee. And then next thing you know, I'm trying to get my faculties together. And then I'll think, man, I don't want to go to the gym. Is there any way I can get out of the gym, right? And then of course my brain's like, well, you know, if you get out of the gym, then later on you're gonna be upset because you didn't go to the gym, right? But also I won't feel great, you know, the rest of the day. And then I'll start off the day by letting myself down, by not doing the first thing I should do is go to the gym, right? So something powerful that I heard just the other day when I was listening to actually Joe Rogan, he said something that blew my mind. He said, yeah, man, well, I like to work out really hard, and he likes to go in the ice. I'm not going to go in the ice bath, no, but he likes to go in the ice bath, right? And then he of course go in the sauna, right? And he'll do a lot of strenuous exercises. And he says, because by the time I get done with all that, whatever else you guys throw at me in the world, it can't really affect me because I've already beat myself up so much in the morning, right? That I push myself so hard, right? That now everything else is easy, right? So I thought about that. I was like, he's right. Because whenever I go to the gym in the morning, I do my thing, I'm done, I feel great, and then I'm walking around all day and I feel great. I don't have any stress or anxieties, and I'm like, well, why do I have, and then when I don't do it, I have a lot of more stress and anxieties, right? So I think it's just because as humans, maybe we're supposed to push ourselves harder than that, you know? I think we evolved to work, you know? Otherwise we couldn't eat, right? So anyway, I digress, but I just wanted to share that. I thought that was pretty interesting what he said because, wow, yeah, you work really hard in the morning, then next thing you know, everything else is easy after that. It's like, oh, I can do this, right? Just to show you guys now what I eat, what my meal is for today. This is what I'm having today, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys each meal, and I'm gonna take you guys, so later on I'll have another video, I'll tie it to this one, and you'll be able to see what I have for dinner, okay? So right now, I'm gonna show you guys my lunch. Now I do intermittent fasting. The thing is that you know, I don't eat before 12, so I might have some coffee, you know, and I have a little creamer with it has a little bit of sugar in there, which that's the only issue. But I try to make sure it's the organic and all natural, only a couple ingredients. This is the creamer I use, and this stuff right here, I've been using it for years. It's pretty good. I like it. Organic creamer, coconut milk. Now, I just had a nutritional consultation with the lady at Natural Grocers, and she told me to add some, some fat to my creamer, to my coffee. She says because it'll help me with my prediabetes, and so I've been trying it, and I'm listening to her advice. You can go to Natural Grocers, you guys, and you can have a free hour-and-a-half consultation, nutritional consultation, with a nutritionist for free. I made like 12 eggs. Sometimes I'll make 18. I'll mix them with some vegetables, right? And some meat, some ham, this time some ham, right? And I had a whole pound of spinach, a dozen eggs, and a big old thing of ham, right? And then some veggies, and I cut that all up and put that together. So that's what I'm gonna have today. And then I'm gonna mix this with some mole enchiladas from Amy's. If you have a dog, you gotta feed your dog, right? So I have dog food. I'm gonna show you this too. I wanna show you guys everything. So I'll put a little bit of, this is just some oats. And for my dog food, my science teacher at work told me it's important to make sure that they have oats in their food. And then also I actually eat more like steel cut oats sometimes in the morning, or sometimes not in the morning, but like in the afternoon or 12 o'clock with my breakfast or my lunch. 12 o'clock, that's my lunch, right? So I'll usually have some oatmeal in there too, because it's good to have oatmeal, right? So this food is called Only Natural Pet, and it's pretty pricey, but I don't believe in having to go to the vets, because I think that if you eat, just like me, I eat the right foods, I can avoid the doctors. So I give my dog this stuff right here. I'll add some apple cider vinegar in it too. Actually, I have turmeric I put in there sometimes too. Turmeric with black pepper and coconut oil that I have a mixture, but I just don't have it made right now. So that would be something that you can add to your dog's food. It's called golden paste. And actually I add it with my coffee too. So you can get your turmeric, because when you mix turmeric with black pepper, it increases the potency by like 1,000% or something. So you want to mix black pepper. Actually, there's a lot of things. If you mix black pepper with it, it just changes. It changes how it works with your body. It's really interesting, right?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
Feeding them good food. I walk them every day, throw the ball with them every day, and then I try to, when I can, get them to the park when there's no other dogs around, and I take that long leash out, and then I'll throw the ball. So anyway, we're about to go on a walk right now. Uh-oh, that thing just went over the fence. Oh well. All right, we're gonna go on a walk. So here, and I'll show you guys my little walk. We'll talk about it.
All right, so first, here we are. Say good morning, Henry. Good morning, dude. Let's go. Where are we going, Henry? You show us. Show us what's up. He has to pee on this one. Show everybody who's here. Where is he? Where is he at? Where? That he's in the house. Henry is in the, or out of the house. Henry's out of the house. So he's gonna make sure he makes his mark. All right. So anyway, this is cool. In the afternoon when I have to walk them, you know, I don't want to. I'm tired, right? But I have to. And there's a lot of days where I don't feel like it. But when I'm done, I feel good. Just like the working out in the morning. So it's a good addition to working out and exercising is having a dog, because then you're gonna have to do your walking. Now you can just do the walking with the dog and that's all, but I like to do both. You know, I like to, because then that way it's keeping me on point. You know, as you get older, you know, you fall off. You got to push yourself, right? So anyway, all right guys, right now I'm at the Great Basin Food Co-op and I'm getting my favorite snack. It's fresh ground peanut butter. So this is what I usually have. I'll have this and I'll show you the container. I just fill it up, this container right here, halfway, like literally to the halfway line, and I literally eat it by itself. But I'm gonna get a small piece of chocolate to go with it, so it's kind of like a Reese's cup, right? So, but that's my little somewhat healthy snack, and then I'll have that with my smoothie. Okay, maybe not halfway, but like a third of the way up. Okay, and there's no it's all just basically raw. So yeah, I am also adding a small piece of organic dark chocolate, or milk chocolate this time. It's usually dark, but this time it's milk. So now we're in my classroom, and I just wanted to show you guys the lunch. I already showed you guys this morning, right? This is the lunch I made, right? So basically you got your, I'm about to eat my lunch. You got your mole enchiladas, your eggs with your ham, and you know, some beans, some pinto beans, right? And then for my snack, an hour and a half after that, I'll drink my smoothie. There's a video. You can learn how to make it, and this is a life-saving smoothie, like for real. This thing, I think this thing saved my life. So I had like 20 things wrong, and I started drinking this smoothie. I learned it from a medicine man, and it changed everything. So I would recommend drinking this smoothie every day, and you, like I said, you can find it on there. And then for after that, probably about an hour and a half after that, right? This is right before I go home, probably about 3 o'clock. So I'll eat at 12. I'll probably have that about an hour and a half after. So that way, at least my food has a little bit of time to digest. Then I can drink my smoothie, right? And then an hour and a half after that, I'll probably have, this is just how I do it. You can do it however you want. But then I'll have this raw peanut butter. Okay, I'm gonna eat this with just a spoon, right? And then I'm gonna have this little milk chocolate thing, which is actually, I usually have dark chocolate, and this has like a little bit more sugar than I like, but you know, it's just small, right? So, and it's organic. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys is after I get off work, right? I get home, I take care of business and stuff like that, and I try to eat early. So I'm trying to get my food going about 4:30 or 5, and I like to eat between 5 and 6 at the latest. So that way it's not sitting on me all night. Mr. Henry's gonna eat his food. All right, Mr. Henry? Thumbs up. All right. So I'm gonna feed him. Here you go, boy. Over here. Okay. Good boy. All right. See you later, dude. All right. So one thing I failed to mention earlier when I was getting my breakfast together or my lunch together, is the vitamins I take, right? And I have a cupboard with probably about 13 of them. I take quite a few. For my dinner, you guys, just today, not every day, you know, every day is different, right? Well, not different every day, but it's different, you know. I don't eat the same things every day, okay? So today, what I did was I used the air fryer. I made some chicken breasts, okay? I made like 4 chicken breasts, right? I'll take the rest of these, of course. I'm not gonna eat them all right now. And then I'm gonna, I'll freeze, I'll just put them in the fridge and I'll eat those throughout the week. I'll mix them with other meals, right? So I made some quinoa. I added some vegetable stock in it and some spices or seasonings, right? I made some broccoli, okay? Just broccoli, just put some seasoning on it, that's all.
And then I made a nice salad with some blue cheese crumbles, okay? Some, I think it's romaine lettuce in this one. Some little cherry tomatoes, some radishes, carrots, and a little bit of seasoning, and some balsamic and olive oil salad dressing. And this, drum roll please, this is the masterpiece, okay? Chicken, quinoa, broccoli. And then also I'm gonna put this coconut secret on it, which is basically like it's like a soy sauce, but it's not soy, so it's a little healthier for you. And then the chicken I cooked with some lemon pepper. I put a lot of lemon pepper on it, so it's like lemon pepper chicken. And then when I'm making my dinner, since I made 4 chicken breasts, right, and I had to chop up some vegetables and stuff, you know what? I chopped up extra vegetables that they're in the fridge for the rest of the week, right? I also made my smoothie. I didn't blend it yet because you want to make it fresh, kind of, right? Like the one I had this morning, right? So this one I'll have tomorrow, okay? So I'll blend it, I'll spin it in the morning, and I'll do my same thing. I'll probably bring a lunch, or maybe I'll go grab a lunch at the co-op because they have all organic over there. The main thing is just get away from them chemicals, right? It's all about those chemicals. So anyway, so that right there is pretty much my day. So I started up, you know, wake myself up with a cup of coffee, take my butt to that gym, right? I love going in the sauna after the gym, okay? You saw me working out. I just sped it up. And that's only my chest, my tricep, and my shoulder day. So the other day I have on here on the channel is the back, the biceps, and the legs. So you can watch that video. You can watch both of them, and you can just follow the steps. You can follow it, and you can do my workout. Then I took you guys after the gym, right? Then I took you guys with me to my classroom. No, I took you guys to the store, right, to get my snack that I usually get. And then I took you guys over to my classroom, and then you saw my lunch, right? And that's pretty much where I eat my lunch. And then you saw that I had the peanut butter, right, with the chocolate piece. And then I had the smoothie, right? So those are my 2 snacks in between my first meal at 12, right? And then now, at 5:30, my dinner's getting cold. I'm up here talking. I got to stop talking. I got to get to eat. I'm hungry, okay? So I'm going to let you guys go. But that was basically just a weekday for me. What I do to show you guys, look, you don't have to eat cardboard all day, right? By working out in the morning, it's going to help you for the rest of your day, right? And then by eating healthy and by not eating a lot of processed foods all day, you're going to have more energy, right? You're going to feel better. You're going to hopefully avoid illness, right? And you can, if you're trying to lose some weight, you know, you can start shedding the pounds if you want to start cutting them chemicals out, right? So watch my videos. They describe everything for trying to achieve longevity. So like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great evening.